Okay, this is kind of a tough one because we're not able to clear anything. Basically, our kitchen sink is a split level, so the kitchen sink is upstairs. It's right behind that window. You can see that little clean out I installed there. It's full of water. Anytime you put something in there, it just kind of spews out of there. So ran the camera from there, and it kind of makes some turns, and it's actually inside this wall. So it goes straight down here, right next to the electrical panel, and turns. But it's somewhere like right after this turn that I can't get past. We're not able to pass it with the jetter. We're not able to do any of that. Of course, that's why we came out to run the camera, because we weren't able to clear it. Could be that there's a break in the line, an offset, which is not uncommon for areas right here where it makes a 90-degree transition. Could be that the foundation is shifted and but not the pipe, and cause it to break right there. So there's a couple things we can do. We can either tunnel under the house right here and make a repair on that line, and then continue to jet and get the rest of it all handled, which is probably a good idea. But one thing we don't know is the condition of the line between here and where it connects to the main, which is about halfway across the house. If you can see that little window there, it comes out right around that area. There's no visible clean out, but it does come out of there. The reason I know that is I ran the camera just now, and it's in the main clean out up there. Goes out this way. Second option for repairing this is actually cut a small hole in the wall right here, and we'll cut that pipe. We'll cap the line going down, so there's no backups would happen in the wall. There's no sewer gases coming up, and we'd actually take that line, we would 90 out to an offset. We drop down. We can install a clean out, so it'd all just be right here. But we'd install a clean out so you can access it, and then we can actually trench and bury that thing. Come out here, 90 around the porch, and then we'll come over here and we can tie into the main line, which I marked right here at a foot deep. So like I said, that just comes straight out there. So and I can measure this too. It might be roughly the same cost to go outside versus doing a tunnel. It may be a little bit more, actually. We'll get the numbers together, but personally I prefer to do the outside line because there's less unknown variables. Because once we get under there, we don't know if it's going to be in the middle of a beam where we have to chip concrete. We don't know if there's a massive belly going across that we'd have to end up tunneling even further to fix. There's just a lot of unknowns with that versus going this way. We don't have to worry about the unknowns. We can just do as we please, which we know will work. So those are the options. I'll get them typed up and sent over, but that's it.